So here I am today at Kalpataru Park City. Now in today's video, I will be talking to you about the complete project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet areas and a lot more. But before we start with all of these details, talking about the overview, let me tell you that Kalpataru Park City is a complete project which has been made in a land parcel of 108 acres. And it is going to be comprising of many phases which will have multiple options for you, right? Starting right from 1 BHK, 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, and these 1 BHKs, 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs will have their multiple variants which would be of different sizes. I will be talking to you about that, but first of all let me show you their most beautiful 2 BHK which I love the most, and it is of 695 square feet, so that's a very spacious apartment. And trust me when I say it's a spacious apartment, it looks even more spacious when we go inside it. Chale, let's go. And here we are into the 695 square feet 2 BHK apartments at Kalpataru Park City. Now this over here is your living and dining space. The dining space alone is of 4.1 by 8.1 square feet, just this space. Now before I tell you about it, first let me show you the balcony and the living area. This is your huge living area and it has this balcony which is of 9.11 by 3.5 square feet. It comes with these anti-skid tiles, is covered from all three sides and also comes with a toughened glass railing. Now one thing if you notice, एंटर करते ही साथ सीधे आपका लिविंग एरिया नहीं है, यहाँ पे काफी सारी स्पेस दी हुई है जो कि आप शू रैक्स के लिए या स्टोरेज यूनिट्स के लिए यूज भी कर सकते हैं. एंड you would not believe, I am already in the kitchen. Now this is one thing that I love about open kitchens, that when I am over here cooking, I can talk to the family straight away, and because the dining area is here, hot food can be served and the house looks more spacious, of course, because there are no walls over here. The house seems more spacious. Now inside the kitchen, let me talk to you about that. They have two opposite placed granite slabs. One of them has this utensil sink over here, and there is this additional workstation right at the end of it. They've also given you a nice window over here for ventilation and for lighting so that your kitchen stays well lit and well ventilated at all times. Now let's check out the bedrooms. So यहाँ से we will come right over here into the aisle. The first kid's bedroom over here comes with a standing balcony. Now I like these kind of railings as well, Now in normal घर अगर आप देखेंगे तो एक toughened glass यहाँ तक मिल जाएगा, उसके ऊपर sliding window आपको मिल जाएगी, पर ये जो है ये बहुत खूबसूरत है क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूरा नीचे तक आपका विंडो जो है वो ओपन होता है, जिस वजह से आपको मिलेगा पूरा मैक्सिमम वेंटिलेशन. और यहाँ पे ये रेलिंग जो है ये इंश्योर करेगी आपकी सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी को. अच्छा, अब यहाँ से चलते चलते हम चलते हैं और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इसके डायगनली अपोजिट दो जो कॉमन टॉयलेट एंड बाथ है. नाउ दिस इज ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7.6 by 4.8 square feet, and this one comes with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. And this over here is your master bedroom. Of course, it comes with an attached toilet with the same size. And the size of your master bedroom is of approximately 10 by 14.1. This is a real big master bedroom. Usi ke saath saath, of course, it comes with your standing balcony right over here with the same features. But there is one additional thing that I again liked about the master bedroom, and that is right over here. Here they have provided you with a window जो कि ओपन भी हो जाती है, तो इसकी वजह से आपको मिलेगा क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन फ्रॉम 3 sides, योर बेडरूम एंट्रेंस, योर balcony, स्टैंडिंग balcony एंड द विंडो. उसी के साथ साथ आपको मिलेगा क्रॉस लाइटिंग भी, दोनों तरफ से रोशनी आएगी आपके बेडरूम में, सो इट इज गोइंग टू स्टे वेल लिट. अब इतना खूबसूरत घर देख लिया, कल्पतरु के बारे में, पार्क सिटी के बारे में मैंने आपको सारा कुछ बता दिया, प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. अब आप ये जानना चाहते हैं बुकिंग कैसे करनी है? नाउ दैट you've seen the project, I'm sure you are very curious to know कि बुकिंग प्रोसेस के लिए एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है। वो बताने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड एग्जैक्टली क्या है। वेल, प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड इज अ प्रॉपटेक सर्विस जहाँ पे हम आपको सारे के सारे प्रॉपर्टीज का विजिट करवाते हैं ऑनलाइन, यानी कि वर्चुअली, और उसके बाद आप शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं आपकी फेवरेट प्रॉपर्टीज और उनके फिजिकल साइट विजिट पर जाते हैं सिर्फ। लेकिन इन फिजिकल साइट्स का एक और एडवांटेज ये है दैट वी प्रोवाइड यू विद अ फ्री पिकअप एंड ड्रॉप सर्विस, जिसमें हमारे सेल्स मैनेजर आपको कैब में लेकर जाएंगे आपके शॉर्टलिस्टेड प्रॉपर्टीज पर, and then you can see those properties and analyze which one did you like the most. Now that you have finalized which property you have liked the most, we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you not just the bottom price but also a zero brokerage policy. So we do not charge any brokerage from you because this is your dream home. Along with this, we also give you many spot payment options, booking offers, and multiple discounts and also multiple vouchers if you book the property with us. Let me also tell you that we are not just present over here in Mumbai or Thane, but also we are present all across the country, in fact, all across the globe. So in India, we cover major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, and many more. Now you want to know कि booking कैसे करनी है ना, मैं बता रही हूँ। नीचे caption में there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is very quickly click on that link and we will get in touch with you and help you buy your dream home that you have been waiting for a very long time. Very quickly do that so that we do not waste time in getting in touch with you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to keep watching such amazing property videos. This is Ekta Kapoor from Property Cloud. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.